Did you know that some people make thousands of dollars every month without even working? Sounds crazy, right? But it's 100% real. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start earning passive income, even if you have little to no money to invest. Welcome to the Finance Park. If you're looking for ways to make money while you sleep, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into passive income, what it is, how it works, and how you can start earning without trading your time for money every single day. What is passive income? So, what exactly is passive income? It's money you earn with little to no ongoing effort after the initial setup. Unlike your 9-to-5 job, where you trade time for money, passive income continues to flow even when you're not actively working. Let's quickly compare. Active income is like a treadmill. You stop running, and the money stops coming. Passive income is more like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small but grows over time with momentum. Now let's talk about real ways to earn passive income. Here are some of the best methods. Number 1. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks allow you to earn money by investing in companies that pay regular dividends. These are cash payments distributed to shareholders from the company's profits. The key to success here is choosing strong, stable companies with a history of consistent dividend payments. Over time, reinvesting dividends can grow your wealth significantly. Example, investing in blue-chip stocks like Coca-Cola, K.O. Johnson & Johnson, J&J, or Apple, a PL can provide steady dividend income. Number 2. Rental income. Owning real estate and renting it out generates a steady cash flow each month. Rental income can cover mortgage payments, property maintenance, and generate profits over time. Ways to get started? Buy a long-term rental property, apartments, single-family homes, etc. Try short-term rentals like Airbnb for higher returns. Invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, if you don't want to manage a property directly. Challenge requires upfront investment and property management. Number 3. Digital products. Digital products can be sold over and over again without extra work after creation. These products are perfect for those who want to leverage their skills and earn passive income indefinitely. Examples of digital products: ebooks, write about your expertise and sell on Amazon Kindle or Gumroad. Online courses, teach a skill on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Templates and printables, sell productivity templates, Resume templates, or planners on Etsy. Best part? You create it once and people can buy it for years. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. This works great if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or a social media audience. How to get started? Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. Promote products by writing reviews, making tutorial videos, or sharing recommendations. Earn commissions every time someone buys through your referral link. Example, a tech YouTuber reviewing gadgets with Amazon affiliate links earns commissions when viewers buy those products. Number 5. YouTube channel and content creation. Creating a YouTube channel can generate multiple streams of passive income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Once your videos get enough views, they can continue earning money for years. Ways to monetize. YouTube ad revenue. When you enable ads on your videos, YouTube places advertisements before, during, or alongside your content. As viewers watch these ads, you earn a share of the revenue that advertisers pay to YouTube. Number 6. Automated online business, dropshipping, and print on demand. An automated online business lets you sell products without handling inventory or shipping. Popular online business models: dropshipping, sell products through an online store without holding inventory. A third-party supplier ships products directly to customers. Print on demand, sell custom-designed shirts, mugs, or accessories. Why is this passive? Once set up, the supplier handles the orders, and you earn money from each sale. Number 7. Peer-to-peer lending and REITs, real estate investment trusts. These investment options let you earn passive income without managing a business or property. How they work. Peer-to-peer, P2P lending. You lend money through platforms like Lending Club or Prosper, earning interest when borrowers repay. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, instead of buying properties, you invest in a company that owns real estate, and they pay dividends from rental income. Why invest? Low effort, steady returns, and diversification. How to start your passive income journey? Sounds exciting, right? But before jumping in, here's how you can get started. Pick one source, don't try everything at once. Choose one that aligns with your interests and capital. Invest time or money upfront. Most passive income streams require initial effort, whether in learning, creating, or investing. Be patient and consistent. Passive income isn't instant wealth. It builds up over time, so stay committed. Passive income is one of the best ways to achieve financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more finance and business tips. Comment below which passive income idea you're most interested in. See you in the next video.